Hello. I'd like to give you a short overview of the organization of the BCOM 301 website. Here you can see the announcement sections that I'm building. On the left-hand menu, you have orientation, activities, support materials, exams, and resource sections. The course calendar, I have to talk to the gurus. It's a new tool to activate it, and it will populate your assignments for this course. Start from here is the traditional, the 6 topic areas, and the syllabus. Here's a slide introduction of myself. Technology requirements about Safe Assign, web browsers, best used. I use Firefox, but you can use Google Chrome. All right, that said, weekly assignments. We'll just take an example of week 2. You always see the objectives for the chapter. You see the study guide questions for the chapter. And I made it easier by putting over here text study guide questions all in one document. Then you have the learning activities, a yellow dig reminder. If you want to exceed expectations, you can check out these links and refer to them on your exams. And it continues on in exactly the same format. Chapter 14, we spend 2 weeks because it seems that from my teaching, I know that this is critical to what you are trying to do. Well, that should do it, and I look forward to seeing you in this class.